Sardines are small, oily fish known for their exceptional nutritional value. Globally, over 2 million tons of sardines are harvested each year. Interestingly, one country alone produces more than 25% of all canned sardines worldwide. In a single factory, 30,000 cans are processed daily. But have you ever wondered about the process behind canning sardines? In this video, we will explore the fascinating journey of how billions of sardines are caught, processed, and canned. The journey begins at the port where sardine fishing takes place. The best time to catch sardines is during the late afternoon or early evening. This is when sardines go up to the surface, following plankton as it moves upward. Planktons are tiny organisms that sardines feed on, often move closer to the surface of the water at certain times, and the sardines follow them to feed. Fishermen utilize this behavior to their advantage by setting out in boats equipped with sophisticated sonar technology designed to locate sardine schools. In the past, fishermen relied on natural signs such as the presence of seagulls or bubbles on the water's surface to locate sardines. Modern advancements have transformed this process. Today, fishing boats are equipped with sonar devices that emit sound waves into the sea. These sound waves bounce off objects or schools of fish, providing a detailed image of what lies beneath the surface. This technology has significantly improved the efficiency of locating sardine schools, allowing fishermen to target specific areas with precision. Once a sardine school is detected, quick action is required. Fishermen must quickly encircle the school before the fish have a chance to escape. The boat accelerates and deploys a large net at high speed. The net is cast in a circular pattern around the sardine school, effectively trapping the fish within. The boat then maneuvers in circles to keep the sardines contained. Once the captain decides that the school of fish is sufficiently surrounded, a winch is used to pull in the net, capturing hundreds of sardines in one operation. Handling the immense volume of sardines can be challenging. Often the net becomes too heavy to hoist aboard in a single operation. To address this, smaller nets are used to manually transfer the sardines from the large net to the boat. This manual process is efficient and completed within a few minutes to ensure that the sardines remain fresh. Once aboard, the sardines must be transported to the shore quickly. Maintaining freshness is crucial for the quality of the final product. The sardines are unloaded at the port and transferred to refrigerated trucks designed to keep the fish at a low temperature. This prevents spoilage and preserves the quality of the sardines during transport to processing plants. They are then delivered to specialized processing facilities where they undergo several stages of preparation before being canned. These factories process nearly 1 million sardines each day. Such high-volume processing requires state-of-the-art machinery and a skilled workforce of approximately 800 employees. Upon arrival at the factory, the sardines are processed rapidly to maintain their freshness. The process begins by placing the freshly caught sardines into a large tank filled with ice-cold water. This step is essential for preserving the fish and keeping them fresh. The water temperature is maintained below 5 degrees Celsius to prevent any degradation of the sardines. The next stage involves sorting the sardines. The fish are conveyed through a machine that places them onto a moving belt. Here, they are sorted by size and directed into appropriate containers. Sorting ensures that each can of sardines contains fish of a uniform size, which is important for maintaining product consistency. After sorting, the sardines are loaded into a machine that removes the scales. This process improves the texture and flavor of the fish. One significant aspect of sardine processing is the removal of heads and tails, which are not typically consumed. After the heads and tails are removed, the sardines are moved along a conveyor belt through a rinse with fresh water. This step removes any remaining scales and debris. Following the rinse, the sardines are transferred to the next stage where their insides are extracted and the fish are thoroughly cleaned. Coarse salt is added to give the sardines a firmer texture. Workers handle the cleaning and salting process with care, ensuring that each sardine is properly prepared. With the sardines cleaned and salted, they are ready for canning. The cans are placed on a conveyor belt leading to a workstation where they are manually filled. This manual filling process is carefully monitored to minimize the risk of contamination. Workers add the sardines to each can, ensuring the right amount of fish is included. Once filled, the cans move to the weighing station. After weighing, the cans proceed to the cooking stage. At this point, the sardines are still raw. To prevent spoilage and ensure the safety of the final product, the sardines must be cooked. The cans themselves are used as cooking vessels. The sardines are placed in large ovens where they are steamed at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This cooking method ensures that the sardines are fully cooked and safe for consumption. The cooked sardines are arranged in a single line and submerged in olive oil. The cans are filled to the brim with oil, and any excess is removed during the sealing process. A machine seals the lids under pressure, creating a vacuum seal that preserves the sardines and extends their shelf life. After sealing, the cans are cleaned and sterilized. They are washed with water at approximately 90 degrees Celsius to remove any residual oil or contaminants. Following the wash, the cans are placed in autoclaves where they are sterilized with steam at 110 degrees Celsius for an hour and a half. This process eliminates any remaining microorganisms and ensures that the sardines are safe for consumption. Once sterilized, the cans are packaged and prepared for distribution. The entire process, from catching the sardines to packaging the final product, takes only 5 hours. This quick turnaround is essential for meeting the global demand for canned sardines and ensuring they reach consumers in optimal condition. Sardines are not just a culinary delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Additionally, sardines are a great source of protein, vitamins such as B12, and minerals like calcium and iron. Their high nutritional value makes them a popular choice among health-conscious consumers. The sardine industry plays a significant role in the economies of many countries. Fishing and canning operations provide employment to thousands of people and contribute to local economies. In addition to economic benefits, there is a growing emphasis on sustainability within the industry. Many companies are adopting practices to ensure that sardine populations remain healthy and that fishing methods are environmentally responsible. Sustainable fishing practices are essential for maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Efforts are being made to monitor sardine stocks, implement catch limits, and reduce bycatch. By supporting sustainable seafood practices, consumers can help ensure that sardine fisheries remain viable for future generations. If you want to know how canned tuna is made, watch the video on your screen. And please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.